So AI collecting insights. So one of the unique insights that, for example, our platform develops is the ability to, as I mentioned earlier, analyze these digital breadcrumbs and predict the personality type. This is very, very unique. Up until now, we have not had the advantage of being able to understand or look into a person's mind to see what is the machinery and what is the behavior mechanism that helps people, that drives people's decision making, right? So we have kind of created a new paradigm by opening up this capability using proven behavioral science to help sellers, client enablement people, client success managers understand their prospects so they can better and custom tailor their solutions and their responses to that. So insights are absolutely very, very important, and AI gives us a unique opportunity to find these unique insights. Now, these come in particularly handy because today we are in a very virtual space. Today, most of the selling is not happening in person. When we were in person, we could take the person out for a golf game, have lunch, go to their office, look around, understand the body language. There were a lot of different physical signals that were present for us to be able to understand the person that we would be doing business with. But today, we have multiple people in the decision-making cycle. We cannot usually meet them in person. So having tools like XIQ and the insights that it provides for us to be able to look at and understand how these people are going to make decisions, where they will stack up as potentially coaches, as blockers, or as doers in our sales cycle is super important. So insights, and then insights about companies, right? What is their SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat? What are their main points, pain points? And all of this comes together and is very easily and readily available as a result of AI. So insights, very important today and a very key driver. Second, you mentioned user experience. User experience is paramount. What good is having the best information if you can't access it in an easy and readily and easily available manner? So user experience has to be easy, it has to be familiar. And what we decided when we were building XIQ was to use what we classified as a consumer grade user experience to deliver complex business solutions, right? And what I mean by consumer grade is something we're very familiar with. Facebook, LinkedIn, these are experiences billions of people utilize today. And so we wanted to stay in an environment and make it colorful, make it really interactive so that it felt to people that they were not really working, but they were engaging in a social activity, if you may. But in the meantime, the information they were consuming was very critical to their business needs. It was helping them understand, as I said, the buyer, their prospective companies, identify alerts, understand the financial, the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. And lastly, you've got to put it into the process. If it doesn't become part of your daily cycle, again, that's a big impediment. So, what we've done is we've built these gamification capabilities within XIQ so people can see how other team members are performing and using the tool. And that little gamification, that little competitiveness that comes, especially if you're in sales and marketing, you're naturally competitive. That comes along, that helps you drive usage, the user experience. And then the easy to understand and utilize user experience, of course, helps drive adoption. And in the meanwhile, what are we doing? We're consuming business information and insights. So to answer your question, fully agree. And I think that's exactly the direction anybody that is going to be building solutions or tools using AI should be looking at. What are the unique insights I can bring about? How does the user experience work? And how does it fit into my daily process?